How to install and use Telegram on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Telegram. From the results, go to Telegram Messenger. Then, tap on Open as shown to open the Telegram app. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. On this page, go to the text bar and type in any message. Then, tap on the arrow icon to send this message. Following these steps, you can easily install and use Telegram on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.